Hi guys, welcome to our channel Gags and J. Here we share simple and some mouth-watering recipes on weekly basis. Mutton curries and Sundays are synonymous in a Bengali's kitchen. Bengali mutton curry, or as we lovingly call it Mangsher Jhol, is an age-old delicacy where mutton pieces are cooked with large-sized potato chunks in a spicy hot curry. We will be sharing our version of mutton curry, so let's get started.
So we are going to take 500 grams of mutton in a bowl. We'll be adding 1 cup of tomato puree and 1 cup of onion paste and 3 tablespoons of curd. Make sure you blend the onion just for like 2 seconds, not more than that, because we don't need a very thin paste, otherwise water will be out of this onion and somehow the marination won't be that perfect and gravy would be like a bit slothy. So in that manner, make sure you blend it for just 2 or 3 seconds, not more than that. Now we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Now we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now we'll be adding all dry spices, which includes 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, red chili powder, and 2 teaspoon of salt. And make sure you add 2 teaspoon of coriander powder as well. See, my main aim in this video is to prepare a very mild mutton curry because during the preparation of kosher mangsho, the spices are meant to be a bit on a rich side. So in mutton curry I have tried to prepare it pretty mild and moderate spicy. Now we'll mix it well till everything combines up, and we'll add 3 to 4 papaya cubes to it, and we'll mix it thoroughly. And last but not the least, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and we'll refrigerate it overnight. Now we'll add up 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. And in this mutton curry preparation, we actually add aloo. I know it's a bit weird, but yeah, we Bengalis use aloo in every possible things which we prepare. So mutton curry is one of them. So we'll fry them until they're golden brown in color. See, you can also marinate this aloo with a bit of turmeric powder and chili powder, and by adding salt as well, but I don't do that. Who takes so much pain in preparing mutton curry? It's very easy to prepare, so better not to do that. It's not going to make any difference, trust me. So after it is turning into golden brown, we'll just strain it out in a separate bowl, and we'll start it off with the main preparation. Now we'll again add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil to it, and we'll be adding garam masala, whole garam masala, which includes bay leaves, some cardamom, some cinnamon stick, and like a handful of or 1 teaspoon of whole jeera. Now I'll allow it to splutter. A mild fragrance will be coming out. So meanwhile we'll be adding some roughly chopped onions, and we'll fry it till it turns transparent. Like after frying it for like 2 to 3 minutes, now we'll be adding the overnight marinated mutton into the wok, and we'll just cook it properly in low to medium flame for like 20 minutes. This is the main procedure which you should follow. I know it takes patience, it takes a lot of time, but it will be worth it at the end. So just cover it, like sometimes you can cover it so that it cooks well, and we'll just see that the gravy is almost dried and the oil will separate out. That means that you are actually reaching some like in the middle of the step you'll be like, okay, fine, it's been half cooked. It's definitely going to take time, so don't cook it in high flame, so that make sure you do not burn it.
We grew up with the ritual of Sunday mutton curry prepared by Ma, simmering slowly in a heavy pan until the meat falls off the bones and the entire house is filled with rich aromatic flavor of mutton and spices.
Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar. It will just caramelize the whole mutton curry, and it will somehow enhance the taste. For that we'll be adding sugar. See, the gravy is almost gone, oil is oozing out from the corners, so it looks pretty good. Now we are almost reaching the final step. Now we'll be adding some fried potatoes, and we'll just toss it for like 5 minutes. for us Bengalis, potatoes are the most important thing, and trust me, I know it can sound a bit skeptical for others other than Bengalis, but trust me, many of my friends, they somehow were skeptical when it in terms of tasting this mutton curry with aloo. But once they tried it, and they were like, oh my god, how is it even possible that aloo in mutton curry can taste so good? So just give it a try. Make sure you give it a try. Now we'll take a cooker and we'll transfer it, that prepared mutton, partially cooked mutton, we'll transfer it to the cooker, and we'll just add some water and we'll allow it to boil for some time. And yeah, I just forgot to say that you should add boiled water. It should be like a very boiling water. Make sure you add boiling water rather than adding just a normal temperature water, because it might hamper the taste of the mutton curry. So that's one main point, that you should add a boiling water. Just taste a bit of gravy and check whether the salt concentration is proper or not. If not, then you can add up some more to it. Now you can see that the oil separates out. That shows that your mutton is well cooked. Add a handful of kasuri methi and 1 tablespoon of ghee to it. You can add coriander leaves as well, it's optional. Now we'll cover it and let it whistle for 8 to 9 times.
So our mutton curry is ready. One full plate of steaming hot rice can be easily polished off only with this. It's already lunchtime here and we are heading towards our dining table to have this yummy mutton curry. We hope you like this recipe. If yes, do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Do hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post our videos. Do follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well. We'll meet again next week with another such yummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.